Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the resource API in Angular 19. So the resource API is a new feature introduced in Angular 19 designed to improve the data fetching management in Angular applications. It provides built-in declarative way to work with the data resources, reducing the need for the manual API calls using the HTTP client. So what are the key features of that one? That is declarative data fetching, simplifies working with the external APIs, automatically handles loading, caching, and refetching. Okay, better state management, no need for the manual state handling with the behavioral subject or the NGRX. Automatically subscription management, no need to manually subscribe unsubscribe to the observables. Work seamlessly with the signals, designed to work with the Angular's new signals API for the reactive state management. So let's take an example how we can implement it. So here we have the code for that one. Let me just hide this. Okay, so here we have the code base, right? So here we have created the service. So we have the interface structure to receive the data. So ID, title, and the body. Okay. After this, we are going to use this in the resource. Okay. So resource post should be the array. Okay. And here create a resource to fetch the posts, right? And we have to import the resource for the Angular core. Make sure of that one. Response type and the response request type, right? So loader async loader function fetches the data when needed. Okay, so here we have the API call that we're using the fetch one. So here it fetch the API call and convert the response to the JSON. After doing this service, we are going to use in our component file. So we have this component and I'm using my service component. Import this one, and here in the products component in the constructor I'm calling this. Okay, dependency injection, right? After doing this, what we have to do, we have to render this data whatever we have. So let's go to the products component, and here we are going to just render it. My service.post is loading, then it's loading, and loop through the posts to display them. So here we are looping that one with the value track post ID, so unique ID will come over here. Okay, and here we are showing the title, and if there is no data it will go with the no posts found. Okay, so already we have know about what exactly the track is. If you don't know, just do let me know in the comment section and you can watch the video of that one also. Okay, so it will track the IDs, right? Okay, so this is done. Let's check the front end and let's restart it. Okay, and let's go and just check this. So here you can see that first it will loading, then it renders the data. So about, so here you can see that within a seconds you can see the data is coming. Where is network? If I switch the network to like good, this one, so what, let's see the network. About, contact, about, let's make another that is regular 2G. Then what happened? I think then state is already managed. Let's reload this. Okay, so it will work on that mode also. Okay, so this is how you can use the resource API. Let's move to the advantages. Okay, so what are the advantages of that one? Let's have a look. Okay, so injectable, you know that provide why we are using this. This means that Angular will automatically create and provide the services across the entire app. No need to add it manually anywhere. Okay, so the resource API that will use for the fetching, caching, and the reactivity auto refresh when dependencies changes. Right. So the fetch, we are calling the fetch API. Right. So here already rendered the post. Okay. Advantages: no need for the HTTP client in the simple cases, reduces the boilerplate code, works perfectly within the Angular signals, automatically manages subscriptions and the caching. Okay. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Don't, those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment on my video. Thank you so much. Bye.